equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely open your laptop without causing any damage. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad 3 and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on your device. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any scratches or damage. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could crack the casing. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive, which is usually secured in a metal bracket. You may need to remove additional screws to free the hard drive from its bracket. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the hard drive out of its slot. Be cautious of any cables connected to it. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you might encounter. After removing the hard drive, take a moment to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you're considering replacing your hard drive or upgrading, ensure you have the correct specifications for your new drive. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Once you've completed your work, carefully reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps. Place the hard drive back into its slot, secure it with screws, and replace the back panel. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose components. Finally, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. By following these steps, you can successfully extract the hard drive from your Lenovo IdeaPad 314 IL05, ensuring your device remains in top condition. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.